you live in LA, you might see some mini minion-looking robots that are roaming the streets. They're actually delivering food for more than 300 restaurants for Uber Eats, courtesy of Serve Robotics.
Did you know, according to various estimates, by 2030, AI is expected to replace about 40% of jobs globally, with some industries and tasks being more susceptible to automation than others. Since the release of powerful AI tools like ChatGPT and Google's Bard, discussions about whether robots will replace people have intensified, and studies reveal that some jobs, typically white-collar work, may be substantially impacted. So, the question is, will AI take your job? Join us today as we check out the top 10 industries AI will replace. Stay tuned to find out whether your job is on the chopping board. 10. Graphic designers. If you assume all creative and artistic activity is immune to automation, you haven't encountered DALL-E 2 from OpenAI, the brains behind ChatGPT. DALL-E 2 produces graphics in the same way that ChatGPT produces text. Enter a command, such as create a business card for a coffee shop, and DALL-E 2 will rapidly generate dozens of distinct business card designs. According to one skilled graphic designer, the effects are insane in a good/scary sense. Furthermore, as products like Adobe Sensei indicate, AI can excel at image editing. AI-powered picture editing can repair and enhance photographs with precision, minimizing graphic designer dependency on human photo editing. This not only expedites the design process, but also ensures consistent and high-quality outcomes. Moreover, AI algorithms can assess brand preferences and produce logos and branding materials that are consistent with a company's identity. This capacity is precious for films looking to build or renew their brand, while human oversight is frequently required to ensure the final design resonates with the intended audience. Graphic designers can view apps like DALL-E 2 in one of two ways: as an existential threat that will render human designers obsolete, or as a tool for fast-generating graphic concepts that can be perfected by human artistry. While AI can automate many graphic design tasks, it is unlikely to replace graphic designers completely. Human designers can bring creativity, emotional intelligence, and a deep understanding of aesthetics that AI currently cannot replicate. Instead, AI is poised to augment designers' capabilities, allowing them to focus on high-level creative tasks. At the same time, AI handles routine and time-consuming chores, ultimately improving efficiency and output in the graphic design industry. Yes, generative AI will replace graphic designers specializing in quick and dirty drawings, but there will always be a demand for higher-end work. 9. Beat journalism. AI is already replacing certain sorts of journalism. Sports journalism, in particular, lends itself well to automation. An algorithm can analyze a baseball or baseball box score, which player scored and when, and how the winning side sees the lead, and generate a 500-word essay that offers a fascinating and factual table. The same is true for various sorts of financial journalism, such as quarterly earnings releases and other corporate data announcements. Since 2014, the Associated Press has collaborated with an artificial intelligence platform called Automated Insights to publish hundreds of annual earnings report pieces without requiring a single human journalist. According to the Associated Press, doing so gave business reporters 20% more time to work on deeper stories. The same AI software was used to automate the Associated Press's NCAA basketball coverage in 2018. During the COVID-19 pandemic, automated news was also employed for election results, statistic updates, and explainer-type pieces, albeit many AI-produced articles were found to include mistakes. Any journalist who works in front of a computer and does something fairly predictable again and over again, even if it entails great writing, is vulnerable to automation. 8. Warehouse employees. Amazon has developed over 500,000 robots in its fulfillment centers, which are large warehouses where Amazon purchases are collected, packed, and shipped out. At the same time, Amazon has hired over 1 million human warehouse workers, claiming that humans and machines working together will achieve optimal productivity. Meanwhile, Amazon is investing in robots that can do the nimble work of humans, visually detecting and grasping small goods from mixed bins. So how long before firms like Amazon can entirely replace fallible human warehouse workers who require breaks and continue to threaten unionization? You'll see automation moving very quickly in those controlled warehouse environments. Within the next 5 years or so, Amazon warehouses will have a lot fewer human employees. 7. Copy editors and proofreaders. As language processing algorithms develop, a good example is with Grammarly. These AI-powered applications now detect grammar and syntax mistakes, recommend style fixes, and even improve a text's overall readability, all in real time. These cutting-edge software tools can evaluate complicated phrase structures, comprehend context, and adjust to varied writing styles. This means that AI can now undertake many of the previously designated activities for human proofreaders and editors. As AI continues to encroach on this region, the future of proofreading and copy editing is in jeopardy. While AI is unlikely to totally replace human knowledge, particularly in highly specialized or creative writing, demand for traditional proofreading and editing services may fall. The task for specialists in this industry is to accept AI-powered tools and use them to improve their own editing abilities. The industry can grow to meet the needs of an ever-changing digital landscape by combining AI's precision with human editors' sensitivity and creativity. 6. Content marketers. Marketing products and services via web articles, videos, and social media posts have recently gained their own industry. Digital marketers create blog entries and videos and manage social media channels for both huge organizations and small businesses. But it is precisely this type of targeted content that generative AI is intended to generate. There are already sophisticated apps, such as Jasper, an AI that generates catchy articles, tailored emails, and timely Twitter tweets with the press of a button. Even better, or worse, Jasper automates many additional content marketing campaign chores, such as A/B testing and search engine optimization. Marketers who specialize in low-quality content that doesn't need any original thought should be the most concerned. AI, by definition, can only create variations on what is already available. You'll still need to consult a human if you want anything unique. 5. Data entry and data processing. Data entry and processing are essential in an age when data is the new oil. Businesses are turning to advanced artificial intelligence algorithms to process, analyze, and extract useful insights from massive volumes of data at new rates. Machine learning algorithms and optical character recognition (OCR) technology have enabled accurate designations of handwriting or printed text, automating processes that were previously done by hand. AI-powered data analytics systems can sift through enormous datasets, uncovering patterns and trends that human analysts would take considerably longer to discover. While these developments make data-driven decision-making more efficient and accurate, they also raise questions about the future of data entry and processing experts. As AI advances, these positions may become obsolete, forcing individuals who rely on them to discover new methods to adapt their talent and remain competitive in a rapidly changing work environment. The problem now is to ensure that these workers can move into new roles that leverage their skills, while also embracing the capabilities of AI. 4. Lawyers. According to analysts, AI will have a big impact on law. Artificial intelligence and other types of legal software are already revolutionizing the discovery process by determining which documents are important to a case. AI also handles a lot of contract generation and contract analysis. Again, time-consuming, repetitive, low-level legal work will be automated first, making entry-level lawyers obsolete. Still, detractors believe that AI will never replace most of what lawyers perform. It simply allows lawyers and other professionals to spend more time on big-picture thinking and less on details. However, as one attorney discovered the hard way, a lawyer who uses ChatGPT should double-check the case's insights. On the bright side, automated legal services could be a valuable resource for low-income Americans, according to the American Bar Association, 86% of whom cannot afford legal representation in civil proceedings. 3. Junior coders and programmers. The majority of experts agree that generative AI will benefit software engineers. AI solutions like Copilot eliminates the need for programmers to carefully code lines every line from scratch. Simply enter a prompt and the algorithm will generate high-quality code in a variety of coding languages. According to research published by Microsoft and MIT, Copilot enabled software developers to build programs 56% faster than traditional coders. Coders are rightly anxious that AI will replace entry-level programming positions in the computer industry, where widespread layoffs have already reduced the workforce. Many of the remaining software professionals will take on new professions as prompt engineers, persons with a talent for entering the best prompts into the automated coding tools. 2. Cashiers. Self-service checkout and mobile payment options are becoming more common, lessening the necessity for traditional cashiers. AIFI, a Santa Clara, California-based AI technology company, has unveiled a system that can fully automate stores of any size, from pop-ups and kiosks to major retail chains. Combining a slew of off-the-shelf RGB cameras with the company's unique computer vision technology enables retailers to follow customers and the things they pick up, providing consumers with a streamlined, automated shopping experience while also allowing stores to analyze inventory and sales statistics. Human counterparts, on the other hand, will always be required. So hone your soft skills, the broad talents and skills you've acquired from years of working with others, and then apply what you've learned to provide the human touch in a similar capacity. The way forward for cashiers is to advance their careers by working in customer service and sales associate jobs, or by exploring opportunities in inventory management and supply chain operations. 1. Medical diagnosticians and radiologists. When ChatGPT was barely a twinkle in the minds of its developers in 2016, Turing Prize-winning computer scientist Geoffrey Hinton remarked, "We should stop training radiologists now." This is because intelligent machines using algorithms were already getting very excellent at diagnosing diseases in X-rays, MRI scans, and other medical imaging. AI radiologists beat human doctors in detecting cancer in medical imaging in 2019, finding 5% more tumors and reducing false positives by 11%. Does this suggest that AI will replace all radiologists within the next 10 years? We'll have to wait and see. Well, that's it for today. What other industries do you think AI will replace? Please share with us in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then definitely check out this next one.